Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to stop TikTok saving to camera roll. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired TikTok account and just go to your profile. Once you're there, just click on upload or the plus icon and just upload any video you want, or you can also take a video from here. Once you do it, just click on the tick option and then click on next, and here go to more options. And currently in my region it is not available to change the TikTok saving to camera roll system, but in recent updates TikTok just suddenly just removed that. But in your region this might be available in this area, in which you might see that save to device, and there will be a toggling option right here, and all you need to do is to turn it off, and then your TikToks will not be saved to your camera roll. And this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.